Now that we have gotten to topic 3 of module 2, we are going to look at how to navigate and find a specific document or file in Google Drive. As you can see, I have no documents lingering except for the quick access, which don't forget the quick access is the ones that you have recently opened or edited today. But I want something different than that document. I don't see my document on the screen right now. So I don't remember where I put this specific document, but I know it's somewhere in my Google Drive. I just don't know which folder. I know one or two words that are in the title, but I just don't know where it's at. Well, the good thing about Google Drive is that you can search it. So if you go up here to the search in Drive and you click on it, the first way you can search is by the type of document that you have created. For example, if I want to find a Google document, then I can click on Google Documents and it'll show me any kind of Google Doc that I have created on my Google Drive. Now, this might not be the one that I want, so all I have to do is hit the X and it takes me back. So let's say I want to find a photo that I have in my Google Drive, click on that, and that's all the photos that I have. But I want to find a document that has the word module in it. So I can go ahead and type in the word module and it will pull up any document or folder that has the word modules in it or module. So this helps identify the keywords in the documents that you need or are looking for. And the one that I'm looking for is this first one here. And all you have to do is click on it and it'll pop it open to this page. And then if you actually want to open the file, you can click up here and hit open with Google Docs. So finding documents in Google Drive is not too hard thanks to the search in Drive function that I utilize all of the time. So I hope this helps you, and if you have any questions, just let us know.